finished my CN Tower climb, actually crawling up the stairs. I finished my CN Tower climb, and what you saw in pictures is not the reality. Reality is something else. I was literally crawling up the stairs for the last 5-6 flights of the floors, but it was really tough. I went in unprepared. I thought I can do it. Sure, I did it. It took me 30 minutes and few seconds to do 144 floors and 1772 stairs, I believe. Holy, it was heck of an experience. It was good. My heart rate was going up to 183, and that's when I would slow down a little, take a breather, and then I go up again. First 50 floors were a flight. After that, I had to drag myself, but heck of an experience.